Good afternoon, fourth class. Today we are going to do a beautiful poem called Flowers. It is written by Berlin. This poem is basically emphasizing the beauty of flowers and comparing it to human. Here, flower is like a friend in this poem, a friend which is always there, listening to you, feeling your emotions, sharing your thoughts silently. So here the flower is given a human character. Very beautiful poem. Let's do it together. They have no mouth but seem to speak 1,000 words so mild and meek. Here the flowers are, according to the author, the flowers have no mouth. Physically we can see no mouth of the flower, but when you look at them, it looks as if they are talking to you, they are speaking to you, and so many words, thousands words, mild and meek, very slowly, which even if you will try to hear, then only you can hear. Very mild, very low voice. Okay, so here the author is saying that plants do not have, the flowers do not have any mouth. फ्लावर्स के माउथ नहीं होती, बट ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो हज़ारों भाषाएं बोल रहा है, हमसे वो बातें कर रहा है, बहुत सारी बातें हो रही है. They have no eyes but seems to see and bury thoughts into me. They don't have any eyes. Physically, flowers don't have any eyes, but it looks as if they are seeing you. The poet is saying that as if it looks as if the flower is seeing her. Okay, and bury thoughts into me. And they are burying their thoughts into the poet. Means the poet is here want to say that flowers have no eyes. Flowers की eyes नहीं होती, बट ऐसा लगता है उनको देखने में जैसे कि वो खोए हुए हैं, बहुत ही गहरे विचारों में खोए हुए, बरी थॉट्स. ठीक है, इट लुक्स एज इफ दे आर डीपली थिंकिंग, डीप थॉट्स. ओके, दे हैव नो ईयर्स बट सीम टू हियर ऑल माई क्राइज, माई एवरी टीयर. Flowers don't have any ears, but the poetess is saying it looks as if they are hearing to me. They are hearing me when I am crying. They can see every tear of me, every tear that is falling from my eye. The flowers is observing everything. Okay, वो कह रहे कि कान नहीं होते, बट ऐसा लगता है कि वो मेरी सारी बातें सुन रहे हैं. जब मैं रो रहा हूँ, जब मेरी आँखों से आंसू गिर रहे हैं, they are looking, they are recording, they are simply listening to everything. मैं उनसे ऐसा लगता है कि अपनी बातें शेयर कर सकता हूँ, मैं उनकी बातें सुन सकता हूँ. मैं जब रोता हूँ तो वो मुझे देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, everything. Okay.